Hello guys, welcome to Colon. Pero today we're just gonna have a quick spin this Colon. Pero tamo, puan ta. Muli ko na ta. We'll have a detour. This is Colon Street, by the way. And wala. Welcome to this Colon. Pero it's a rainy day here in Cebu. It's a Friday. So muna itong mga naghuwat na sweldo, hapin ng sweldo. But yes, we are here, the busiest street in Cebu, aning Colon. Pero mutuyok na because we are on our way actually to Juan. Padayon lang ta. So muna, Cebu's rainy. Rainy day in Cebu. Pause. We are here now. Sa Colon. So hi guys, kumusta na diha? How was your week? Was it awesome? Wala to ikuan. But today we are driving around here. Dadapit padung na tas Candido Padilla, si Padilla Street. Omni no entry man dere. So we are gonna find a way na mo tas Pasil dapit. Wala na itong one. So labag na tayo sa si Padilla. May na tabuan area na. So mana, we've seen mga Cebu, pero ato lang ibalihon ang angle in a bit. Kay we're running against the sun right now, but nang kuan kayo dark. So I'm gonna head sa tawag na padung ta sa kuan ta ba mo run opposite ani na street para mas nindot inyong view mo ron tagkuan gud. Madto ta padung sa Pasil. Right, nahayag na. So ayan. So kumusta na guys? We just had a kuan diri sa Cebu, bago lang nag-uwan. I was worried magbaha, but the rain stopped luckily. Padung na ta sa atong normal routes hapon, but but we are here dapit sa Pasil. To the right is the fish port, pwede mo makita. We're gonna turn left going towards Magallanes na padong nindot kayo no? Padong ta sa Carbon area, Carbon to Magellan's Cross, then going to South Road Properties or the Cebu South Coastal Road. Mauni ko andre guwapa kayong daan, which is maning Pasil na area. Diri na. Welcome to Barangay Suba. Diba na yung mga kaananan diha. Then barangay sa sunod mo nang padong Ermita. Ano sila Ermita, Cebu. So baning usa, this is Barangay Pasil. Diha ang mga larangan niya, mukhaon ta des Esmen puhon dito Esmen Carinderia. Pero see, paglabang to ani, this is gonna be going Ermita and Colon side na. This is kuan na. Mas nindot ang view gid, di ba? Going towards ingani na angle. Gani na sorry kayo na medyo dark in the first part of the video. But yes, it's understandable man because the sun is shining after the rain. So mao ni atong kuan, we are kuan, you will see now that the former Freedom Park was this kuan na relocate na ang mga vendors, giguba na because the new the developer of the carbon market Cebu is they're making a real park, so a real freedom park. So it's like an open space where people can enjoy. I don't know kuan lang na people can mura siyang fuente or something like that, where people can tambay, maybe take pictures, spend time with the family. Diba? It's an open space. Dayon sa Luyong carbon market, which is gonna be one. So now sa Freedom Park, we used to buy flowers in that area, but you will see also in a vlog na mo ni naong sa carbon ron ha. So you will see what na Freedom Park, that's San Jose Recoletos. So wala na, diba? Na di nanta ka sudsud o makasud pa man di mga sakyanan sa carbon, pero mag say hukutan ko, but yeah man, that's the Freedom Park to the right, supposedly yes diha ang kuan where you buy flowers, but now wala na. So they demolished it and relocated the vendors. The vendors are now in an interim building. So kanina unit, the flowers are now in the ground floor of the interim building. So they segregated it properly. Really hindi kasi ka basta makasud diha. So nasa this interim building, along atong mga favorite na kumputuhan na nasa dito, mga karinderya ug uban pa. Pero sige lang, we'll give them a chance and see, di ba? Now I'll show you the progress right now. Mustang now. So this is Magallanes. One of the busy streets sa old times. Antod karon, this is downtown, di ba? Pwede rin mo liko diha. Pwede lang tamo liko pa ng carbon. So wala. So nice kayo mag-drive lagi in an afternoon na bago lang nag-uwan, because guwapa kayo tanawon ang daan, limpyo kayo tanawon. It's a different angle. So this is Magallanes. So if we go straight, at the end of this road we will see Magellan's Cross, the marker, the chapel where the Magellan's Cross is diba? Left turn, kita mo right turn lang tag-uphill kay hinay man yung mga tao. So this is the Cebu City Hall, and we'll see the CCLX at the back. So cool kayo, daghan kay mga tao na medyo na stranded lang gamay, mga pasahero, but para na laban lang. So kuan lang na. So marang carbon naghihapon ni na part. Woohoo! Nindot yung Chapel and Park. That's ang Tininyo Chapel and Park. So part gyapon sa carbon development. So mana man ni na ako sa Cebu, in the downtown, we've seen Colon. Start as Colon, we go to Padilla, and now we are going to the Cebu South Coastal Road with the SRP. So we just had a tourism summit yesterday, and I think I posted naman sa video sa plans ni Liluan Mayor Cristina Frasco. Not Liluan Mayor Juan ha. She's now the DOT, Department of Tourism Secretary, Cristina Frasco. We've heard the plans about the Filipino brand. Parang yung kung ano nila as a brand. Mga na ilang kung anon. CCLX also has been really instrumental so far when it comes to tourism, kasi hinahimo naman yung tourist spot. So katong Filipino brand na mabalik na lang kuan, one of the newest news today is the mabalik na mga dancing inmates. Interesting times ahead for the inmates and their family. O katong mga priso, may basing mo dance kag appeal ka ng dancing inmates pa. But look at the sky, so beautiful guys. Although wala, medyo dim na sa but lamira. So that's the beautiful CCLX, diba? Andra. It's a good drive. Chilling there sa Cebu. All in all, we can say that maayo atong one. Maayo naman atong biyahe. Paspas naman atong biyahe noon. I thought na nandugay tayo. We spent around 6 minutes sa Colon, pero karon no, now, this is Cebu on a Friday. It's already August 10. Unsa na ron? August 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 August 12. Those 12 days na. Uy, hapit na yung mga PD sa mga kung mga swelduhanan. But yes, we're here. Kalma lang. Chill weather in this area. Wow, the sun is out. But do you know 1 hour ago, the rain was so hard. I thought na stranded ko sa akong istambayan. But wow, lahi ra. Although yeah, how things can change, diba? Bilibog uwan din adlaw di ay. So mana. I hope okay ra mo diha. And thank you so much for being with me in this trip. I'm happy that was able to show you Cebu. Bye.